Okay, so this is another alpha test of the Mars yard. Today we're not so interested in the Mars bars in the corner. They can just be yummy over there, but we've seen an anomaly over in that plateau in the northwest corner. Other things we're testing today is backdrops and different heights to see how high we need to make our backdrops. So let's get going. I'm going to pull up my shell script and drive. So just check that my rover's driving. Yeah, it goes forwards. He'll turn left. So now you can see he's just doing like an arc to the left, which is okay. You could try to turn on the spot. Oh, but we found this anomaly here. So let's line ourselves up and get in there. See if we can get a nice picture of the anomaly for today's mission. Okay, so my satellite view is always faster than my mast view. Right up against it. Now I need to back up a little bit. Let's see if we can get ourselves a nice picture here. So I'm going to go into the mast view and let's just pull this down here so we can see it nicely in the screen. Okay, so we have found our anomaly. It is rather unusual. We did not think we would find this on Mars, but let's see what happens. So now I want to reverse and turn a little bit. This gets quite fiddly to wiggle and navigate. So once we've got ourselves almost right, we can then change. If we go to our shell script, we want to do our imaging instead of driving around and potentially wasting our precious power. We can move out of driving and get the servo test script running, which with one scoop to that side, I might end up centering my frame. There we go. I've got a lovely picture of the anomaly. Let's go back to the mast cam. And that's pretty spiffy. We have, appropriately to Parklands College, found a unicorn. This sparkly mascot is found in strange places. So get a nice picture of that. I'm not going to image that now. Maybe next time. And now I'm just going to back right up and see if the height of these walls is useful. So the idea here is the mast cam should not be able to realize it is not on Mars. I think the white one won't be high enough when we get to this corner, but the table might just be. Yes, that's looking good. It might need to be a squidgen higher. So we're going to turn that way, and then we're going to back up here. We're going to go bump those Mars bars, shall we? It feels like a decidedly destructive thing to do for the new year. Bump the bar, not Mars bars. Okay, so now we don't want a background like that. So let's get our mast on. And we're going to turn to look into that corner. Yeah, it looks like from here, that table is just about tall enough. So that is pretty good news. Maybe a squidge more for safety, but we have found our height for our backdrop. Center that back up. Let's get ourselves back to our extraction point. And Let's go home. Do 17.10. Boom. Mission accomplished.